Hey, it's going to be kind of a fast one. Got the Field Duty, the brown micarta. Awesome. And there's something in here. Right out. Bourbon EDC. It's kind of a part 2 for me. Already had one of these for a while and ended up moving it along. Got a kind of a new box going. People doing these magnet boxes are kind of cool. Yes. It's the F5.5. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we got the F5.5 here. I had one of these for a while at the G10 and the Black Blade is an M390. And I just kind of stopped carrying it and ended up moving it along. I've always wanted a titanium one. And they just dropped these titanium scales with the Magnacut blade. And I really kind of missed having one around, so I went for it. Pretty glad I did. These are 7 inches overall length. Closed, they're 4 inches. I guess the cutting edge is 2.7 inches. I think the total would be 3 inches. Right, 3, 4, 7. Yep, 3 inch probably total blade length. Yeah, these are cool, handy little knives. I'm pretty happy to have one around again, especially in the titanium. And let's see. This is Magnacut. And these have, looks like nested liners. Nice stonewashed titanium scale. Looks pretty good. Titanium backspacer. Stonewashed Magnacut blade. Got a little jimping up here. Looks pretty good. Yeah, these feel good in the hand. Not a ton of handle on there, but yeah, they just feel good. Just grab that thing and got it. Yeah. Another F5.5 around. That was a bottle of apple juice. Anyway, just wanted to open this up and check it out real quick. I like how that stonewash turned out on the blade. That looks nice. Very good looking. Subtle, not too flashy. Choke up here if you want. I prefer to stay off the blade. These things are just fun to deploy. Thumb works good. Little Spidey flick works really good. Thumb, Spidey, thumb, Spidey. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit of a fidgety knife. Nice tall blade. A little bit smaller knife than what I usually gravitate to, but yeah, these are just, it's just my opinion. I think these are really cool. Nice design. Titanium feels good. Got a 5.5 again. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I like this variant. It's turned out nice. Urban EDC. They release different variations of these periodically, so not too hard to get a hold of. Anyway, whatever it is, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Please consider subscribing.